Come take a look at this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. This Sierra 1500 has just under 96,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, fire red, dark titanium, light titanium, ultra soft leather appointed seat trim, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, all-terrain package, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Engine, Vortec 5.3 LCV with active fuel management, 315 horsepower, 234.9 kW at 5,200 RPMs, 338 pounds-ft of torque, 456.3 Nm, at 4,400 RPMs, aluminum block, SLT preferred package, Z71 off-road package, tires, P265/65R18 off-road white outline leather tires. Requires, GAT, all-terrain package. Audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible 6-disc in-CD changer and the trailering equipment. Heavy duty includes trailering hitch platform and 2. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.